Gotta have my apron on. Yep, gotta have my apron. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Today would be my dear husband's 80th birthday. We've been celebrating birthdays together for a little over 60 years now. He loves English toffee. Ooh, and so that's what we're making him today. Big bowl has got 2 cubes or 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 egg yolk, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 cup of coarsely chopped walnuts, 'Gotta see if I got everything in here. And we're going to knead this together until we can make a ball with it. And I will kind of tell you how long it takes me to do it. Took about 10 minutes of kneading to get it all together. We have a 10 by 15 baking sheet with parchment paper inside. And this is going to go in there. We're going to pat it all down. And then, folks, we're going to bake this full in a 350 degree oven. Between 18 and 20 minutes. And we're going to just have such a happy husband. Subscribe to the channel. And you'll get a brand new loaf sewing video every Friday. Click on the little bell and you'll get a ding when I put a new one out there and you say, "Poo-poo, wonder what Judy's doing today." You never know what Judy's going to be doing today. So we want to be about the same height all the way through. Oh, sometimes we do. Sometimes we don't. It's going to be good, folks. It's going to go in my oven. It's perfect when it cools completely. Woohoo! I'll pick up the parchment paper and we're going to have all these nifty pieces of English toffee. Easy to make and woohoo, so nice to have to eat.